Number 1. AMC Ambassador. 1948 year of issue. 1948 American Motors. AMC Ambassador. The car starts. It goes in and out of gear. It needs either a new gas tank or fuel pump. This is a very unusual good-looking. They're Nash-like doors, 4 doors. No, they're suicide doors. Number 2, Lincoln Continental. 1977 year of issue. (1977) Lincoln Mark IV 55. EX miles showing, 6.6 engine. True spoke wheels, X5, 2 air cylinders in trunk but not installed. Mirrored sunroof, nice interior, custom etchings on glass. Last driven 1.5 years ago. Engine turns over with plugs out only at this time. I have valve covers off. Oil pumps up well. No rattles or weird stuff making noise. Not running engine, is not locked up, can turn it by hand but will need towed if purchased. Hood closes nicely, just don't have closed-in pick. Number 3. MG Series YT. (1949 year of issue). A 1949 MG YT Tourer. Left-hand drive, green with a black interior. The car is missing the engine. Interior, and any parts you don't see in the pictures. Very solid undercarriage. Comes with spare wheel and side curtains. All the VIN plates comes with it. Number 4, Volkswagen Beetle, 1973 year of issue. (1973) Volkswagen Beetle VW Bug. 66 fenders and lighting. It was complete the day I drove it into the garage as seen in the first pic. But it was intended to be a restoration project. When we moved, I didn't take it with, and it's still in North Las Vegas for the taking. I started stripping layers of paint, and most of the teardown is complete to make for a great start to the project. The only rust was the corner of the front clip as shown. The rest of the car is solid metal inside and out. Must be picked up with a dolly or trailer. Number 5, Chevrolet C10, 1971 year of issue. 1971 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck short bed step-side convertible with 350 engines. Automatic. Thousands in new parts. Seats, tires, steering column, speedo radio, speakers, switches, wiring, brake lines, brakes, calipers, drums, rotors. Flex lines, ball joints, control arm, steering box, tie rods, idler, carpet, sill plates. This is not a show truck. Number 6. Buick Special. 1977 year of issue. (1977) Buick Special 2 Doctor. This is a good solid previous TX car. The engine is a 231 V6 with automatic transmission. It has one older repaint. Good original interior. It comes with new tires and stock steel wheels with dog dish hubcaps. Also includes power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. It runs and drives. Air conditioning, power brakes, power steering. Number 7. Oldsmobile Cutless, 1963 year of issue. (1963) Oldsmobile Cutless F85. Original 215 motor, not running, 3-speed manual on the column. Restoration started, new interior, paint. Engine block, A-arms, springs and other parts chromed. Not running motor needs to be rebuilt, rockers are solid, floors are solid. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz 300D, 1980 year of issue. 1980 Mercedes 300D automatic 5-cylinder diesel engine. It runs and drives perfect. It has 95,549 original miles. Very clean tan and color interior. It has clean title and it is currently registered under my name. It does have a little bit of cancer, as you can see in the pictures.